Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and super simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of Glam Bling Tealight holders. And so what you'll need is you're going to need a pair of these little tea light holders here. And they're the asymmetrical shape. You don't have to use asymmetrical shape. You can use whatever shape you like. And you're going to need a pair of these candlestick holders. I've got in this bowl some of these little golden mini ornaments. And they're from Dollar Tree as well. I've got a pair of these little plastic dessert plates. They come in a pack of 6 at Dollar Tree. I've got just a pick here with some little golden berries on. And then I have some little golden leaves. And these are optional. I may or may not be using them in any way. I've got the loose gemstones from Walmart. And then I also have the peel and stick gemstones from Walmart. You can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. And I also have some hot glue. But if you'd like to make the project permanent, you can use like an E6000 or some other permanent bond. And these are the items that we'll need in order to get the tea light holders completed. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, aren't these beautiful? Now let's just go ahead and start decorating with them. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.